To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On this journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time. One friend at a time. Yeah, I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool.
Hey, see, lately I found out as long as your
Hello.
heart is strong, then you will
Yeah, I mean this how happen. No, me have to ask you how happen. No, me a hooligan already. You call my phone and come ask me boy fashion is straight to the point. My uncle? Which part? No. Wait. Pause, no? And America shot him because that she don't really like me uncle in her worse. Like come go over there where they go big piece, one little soap. She come go on her for her face because she just shot me, no. So wait there. Who shot him? Some of my friends say who shot him, you call me and tell me for. Me want to know who shot him so I can go shot back the person. You know what? Me go look for my auntie. Because you see right now you tell me this, you tell me that, you can't tell me who shot him. But remember, you see if America shot him, me I go for America, me I go for you. Me I go for two of you. Alright, me go check my auntie.
Do know what I agree with that news because we hear from morning. I know me can't believe, Imagine me talk to him, Me talk to him. Me say, B, don't bother pre no violence. Make it slide a police. If you get shot, it not now come out a hit. Listen. Me I make the food game. It look like he already have a plan. Because I right after me give me food. Me give me food and he eat the clothes and he say he in a pain, him I go sleep. And by 15 minutes time, when me come in gone, me don't know what party in town. Yeah. Actually, I don't know me feel. You don't even understand. Me love you boy, And if you never love him, I go through this with you. I'll meet police after, And me sacrifice myself because of him and look where he go cause. See there? Me not feel like nothing gonna come out of that, Me feel like nothing gonna come out of that. Right now, the way me stressed out, me not even want to see nobody. I swear me don't want to see nobody at this point in time. I don't want to see a soul. Not even me own mother. What? Hey, Hey, listen. Me can't take another debt deal, son. Me know you come to me with that. Eh? I lie you tell. Alright. Me know you say.
Wake up. Me partner there, I want you to come out here now. Pack up your things them and come out because you they are the eat of my food them when me to get So you have to go pack up your things them and come out here now and don't me have to pull you by that shot. They may not even know that. And not even 40-inch bus down, not 20. You have to go come out now.
Behavior this.
Where me by?
Me a size.
Me ain't a size.
You come and
me
put on
can't
bed.
be size. Look for me.
Me don't want
compared to
HA,
you.
no?
Yes, her too. Look for me good. I look for you. You will cock up in a bed, cock up foot pan wall.
So what? I hear us with
before you clean up your place, I want that you do.
No worry yourself.
Steal my house once of my people them out of my house.
That's so
me say pack up your things them and come out and tap in an argument.
Are you me coming here too?
Me don't
Are
care.
you me coming here too?
Yeah, they eat off everything.
And me if you eat in my man place, nothing wrong with that. You're going to see I take your daddy.
Oh, me not take me daddy, but my place too. And I mean, when this I mean first in at this that me I tell so me want you to come out, you have to go come out.
Are you work at night time?
Where they work? What? Where they work?
You don't,
yes, sir.
You don't even know that. You don't even know that. Just know to me and on the size.
Me pull out them hair. The best thing you do and come out here. Don't make me have to have nothing. I will not bigger than me shell it down. You know come out. You come like you want to hold you by them there.
You see I know.
Father Godwa.
Listen to me now. Me not going to argue with the because you're a little picnic. You know what? Me just take you. Me just take you. Me can't bother with you.
Come on, man. Me kick you out too.
Me can't bother for you deal with you. You know no manners.
Come out, man. Come out. And me feel a down in this. Excuse. Bright.
Right, that's so auntie. Because I know me a grieve, you know. Me a grieve, you understand I shot uncle. What? They shot uncle. Me don't even know if he living or in dead right now, brother. And me feel like America in a coming. Me not like her, you know.
No. Hold on. How that even happen? Cause guess what now?
It's a phone call me get auntie me there me yard and somebody call me right now. Watch her. Cold bumper swarm me.
Hear you say about America. As bad, me no feel say America would do such a thing.
You don't know America. Brother. You don't know America. Me go over there already and the mama pull gun for me. When me say pull gun, I mean the mama pull gun for me and she know she did me.
So what happened to brother now? Where
I don't even know if he living or in dead. It's a phone call me get and the person will call me never say no. Me ask who shot him them now answer.
My heart and my soul. And my ribs and
you have to go deal with the heart and soul and ribs right now and put it up because we're ready to go. We don't know if in the hospital we are going to go, but we are going to walk and we are going to look for him.
Yeah, me going to look for him. But me just want you to know, say, you see the Christian role me a play? It nah go bother go so.
Next year we'll take up that.
And that me dey make a know so anybody we shot my brother shall pay for that. Lord forgive me. Come on!
It's like you didn't know me have come to you.
Why? You like them lane there, no?
Walk up, man. You walk too slow. You move so slow.
Girl, remember say your body young after me, you know.
Hello. Yes, sir. Man do what? No, me not hear you talk louder, no? Alright. Anthony, you are going.
Wagwan.
You know, say a man shot uncle. Me think America all along, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know. I when you up the start
How you
talk,
not
me
say
still
to
think
me?
America.
What you not say to me? So what go on now?
Right now, me don't even know what to say. Me I
What you
tell you
know?
the truth.
Amanda responsible for it. Come on.
So we say if we can't find the man, we do something to you, man.
What me just say? Amanda responsible for it. Come on.
Ah.
Amanda!
Come out here, so. Come out here, so.
How you see my shit?
Imagine. Me hear say a man shot my uncle, you know, so how that go right now?
Who's your uncle?
You want me lick something in your head, make you have sense, girl? Don't come quint to be here then, pa me, cause...
Who are your uncle, right?
Oi, Egal. Oi.
Don't come at me yard for.
Oi.
Yeah,
Here
me
say
just
I
raise
you.
the voice offer.
Set up my brother life.
Hey! God forbid me? How me if it's...
Where your man dey?
Where your man dey? You know your minister ask her one question.
Listen.
Mama, if me have to ask you again,
My
where your
man
man...
dead, our. In dead. Yeah. You not heard me. He's dead. In dead.
Not the name dead.
Whatever the word be in dead.
Auntie, how that one dey go?
I'm very
I don't believe
confused.
her, no.
I'm very
You
confused.
know why I see the picture?
Cause as she set up my brother life
Mama,
and they start
picture
chat
no
off
mean
your mouth.
nothing. Picture no mean nothing. And right now, me a talk to you, you laugh and to grieve me. So remove that off of your face.
So let me get this straight.
How comes your man dead? When him dead, where him dead, more all of the information now. Talk.
And how he dead.
Mama, me say more all of the information.
Yo, me
Stop
niece.
back on me.
Me niece.
Mama, if I never you know say who the dead? We all look pan girl, me a talk to you.
Hey.
Can't manage
The
that
girl
niece.
Hey.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Do something now. Do
Shut
something
him
now.
2 minutes. Can they ask what? Hey.
Girl, I pretty and I know.
Shot me
I
too.
pretty and I know. See, I box me now and box it right to say no. Anyway, yeah, play
Just
with
relax
it. Are you up to relax yourself, mama?
I don't need to come out of me house.
No, me not go.
Come
You
out
not
of me
even know
yard.
us from yard.
Come out of
How that one there
Come
go?
out of me yard. The two are uno.
Auntie, where you say go on for this? I know me I prefer I'm gonna time up now, so answers, you know.
Girl. I true you don't even know I'm on there right now. But I true the God. They inside I'm same way. Girl. You see Ansness we sleeping last night? Sleep in the back.
Auntie, you do too much talking.
No,
man.
listen. Me not do no too much talking, you know. You realize somebody even touch her from me there, so.
Man.
No.
Can't deal with the bag of talking.
We're gonna leave for yard.
talking.
But remember me tell you, sleep back in the same Ansness. Okay, see next time, you not go pretty. And a box you go get her kicked down. Come on.
No, not even make one.
Miss Cherry! No, some what hurt me. You leave it in there. Hello! So, I pay time for woman until she come in.
103, yeah. Yeah, they can't have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. You see, really and truly, what go on which day there? Never for go on, cause I first time I experienced them as sitting in a police force. You understand?
Yes.
And me tell you, I already said don't fire a gun. See, me tell you, said don't fire the gun because you can put me in a trouble. You understand? Because if the chief never believes say me are the baddest thing in the place, he wouldn't think say something else go on. Like,
No.
I'm have to wipe off a fingerprint off of the gun and then something else.
Listen. You realize I miss save your life?
Save his life.
Me never did that dead, you know? You know that?
The bullet grazed my foot. And if you know say I graze the bullet grazed my foot.
So you tell me, sir, this is thanks so me get?
And no matter thanks me I say you almost put me alright, here what?
Oh, me almost put in a problem. Throw me touch a gun, me kill a boy.
But me tell you say don't touch a gun. That me tell you. Me tell you that from morning.
You know, so you're ungrateful?
It's not a matter of ungrateful. You put me in a problem, girl. And you have to understand that.
Oh, me put in a problem to save your life.
Like, yes, but...
your life, me save. And me put in a problem?
But what if me never...
Wow.
But what if me never smart now and wipe off your dirty hand off of the gun?
Eh? You smart?
What?
If you did smart, the boy would come at your house.
No, because... No, look. Normally, I over the corner of my spot. No, you push me over the next side because you talk madness on my head.
Me push you over the
yeah,
side?
because me's a bad...
No, you didn't prepare for your man coming at your house.
Are you call me Rasta police?
No, you didn't... Can you Rasta police?
You still call me Rasta police? You still call me Rasta police? Eh? Me tell you stop calling me Rasta police.
Dad, shut me.
And no matter that, listen to me. Me not... Hey, you see based upon this, me not like how this a work out, you know.
You're not gonna like how it work out because you're ungrateful and you know say somebody love you and care
now see
for you.
my point in a woman.
Alright, let me see it, Pine.
That is the problem.
Let me see it, Pine. Let me see it.
I be this a go on, you can't do this. And you will hear the point because you can't see it.
Talk.
I am an officer of the law.
Mm-hmm.
Me no want no business coming out. Just shut it. Because you jeer me when you say I am an officer of the law. Jesus, pretty much.
Me have to reply back to you. If I don't reply back to you, go say me not.
I wonder if I have enough gas can carry back up here. Listen to me, I say. I am saying to you, I am the officer of the law. And you have to understand. Say, you can't put me in a bigger problem. No. Two things to this thing, you know. Either I'm going to go to jail, or I'm dead. But me I'm not dead, which is good. But the next thing is because I'm dead in a jail. Because me know as a police, no I go to jail.
Rasta. Yeah, me a hero.
You know, so I'm a little niece when right. There's something about you I want to know about me if I go find out. Because you know, listen.
You know?
Because you... Oh, you help. Come out. Come out. Come out, make it. Come on.
You think me did anything kind of
Come on, make it. And your bag, you better come for your dirty bag. Because last night...
Drive safe and hope nobody not catch up on the road.
Are you for walk safe and man buck your big toe? You think me not left you? Girl, you think me not left you? What is that called?
Sitting by the bar, trying to slip away scars is the hardest thing to do, yeah. Now I'm puffing on a cigarette, hoping that I will forget the greatest thing was you. Trying to chill in my zone, feeling pretty slow. What else to do, yeah. Now I'm sipping on the strongest drink, hoping not to think about your pretty face. Oh, I wish that you were here. I can't go on, the feeling's wrong without my baby. I need my baby.
Hello. You don't let me away from your team, I drop asleep. I want to talk to you.
How money you come to give me?
Which money?
What you mean by listen to me, I'm not the foolishness today, you know. Because imagine, you left here 2 weeks now, and you not call, and you not text me about me money, what you owe me. So, I money you come, boy?
Me didn't have that on my mind right now. Right now, I'm stressed out.
What you mean by you not have that for your mind, girl? And money me I talk about. Alright, I'm not there for your foolishness, you know. Because right now, they shot me, brother, you know. So, if I know money you come to give me, you better just erase yourself and right. That's why I don't talk. A different pre me depend right now, you know. So what you say?
Me make you get your money. Me make you get your money before the week done. But I want to talk to you, I want to come back in.
Oh Jesus. Lord Jesus
Me think
Christ.
so. Me think so. If me did leave, would have better. But it get worse. Stress. Seem like when they just pick me up, just.
Girl, you see if you're stressed, can't stay for last. Cause my brother come first right now. Then shot my brother, and I done me get done so right now. So fear stress mean nothing to me. I get what me I say. So me can't manage this a type of foolishness right now where I come with.
Me understand you have a issue with the family thing, but you know, I'm not figure.
You know, so me I talk too long now. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard. Go on, get up.
Alright.
Girl, go on out of me yard.
Alright.
Come out of me yard. Me they a start tell us say, right now they shot my brother and me. They are so stressed out there. Come and go tell them boy you stress out. Girl, go on. Cause me nobody Christian. Nonsense.
103, 103 Al. Yeah, they tell you about white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light one here, light brown here. We got them on deck. Look what?
Hello. Baby sit. Hello, let me tell you something. You see the baby sit work there? Done. There's something there done. Me stop the babysitting. Damn bright. Call me, brother. Nonsense. Pick up, na man. Bro.
Hello.
What me here say I go on with you?
My sister, if I tell you the honest truth, man, the thing me went dead. Come like you really true for tell me say I'm going to a police force.
Me did I warn you. Boy, you never listen to what me I say. So who shot you?
You know, say I want hoodlum.
Hoodlum. Say hoodlum.
Hoodlum.
Eh.
I'm basically, man, tell you say, and the girl, I'm a girlfriend, saved my life in America. Yeah, man, so, you know, everything I process up on one thing, but, you know, me I take a week off of the, the whole police force, because, you know, they need to kill me, but the bullet just grazed my foot. Grazed my left foot, you know, the doctor say.
Cause Shanice come over here a while ago. And she say, Auntie, then shot uncle. So me I say, who shot uncle? She say, America. Me I say, no, sir. As bad, America nah shot you.
Well, not a true, because if I never see me think when I'm dead.
No say so. Nobody say so. Nobody say so. Cause right now, yeah, right now, you know what I mean by when me I say right now, you know. You know what I mean, though?
I don't want you to turn badness because of the whole thing. When you understand, say, at the end of the day, it's a situation where you make the law take care of it, man. You understand?
Make the what take care of it?
The law, the LAW.
Okay, so when I did I get shot other day, the LAW they take care of you?
Yeah, man, well,
Your sister, you don't have no sense. No, me say your sister, you don't have no sense. You don't have no sense at all. When the hoodlum did come to shot you and kill you, the law did take care of it. You damn idiot. Come on, my phone. You don't have no sense. I can't tell me what to do.
Al. Yeah, they tell you about white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light one here, light brown here. We got them on deck. Look what?
Hello? Mommy? Mommy, no, me don't alright. Mommy, something happened. Something happened between me and Patrick. Mommy, no, it look like me have to go come back home because today me am talking in a vehicle and he run me out of vehicle. Alright, listen. Me go tell her what happened, but me don't want you to panic. Just, you sit down. Alright, guess what you do? Sit down. When you sit down, you let me know. Alright. So, what day me and Patrick come from work? And me and him did that talk. No, we never did that talk. We did that argue. No, we did that talk. No, me don't remember what we did that do, but we did that do something in our house. Yeah. And then, he did that say have a bad day at work because he shot somebody. So, we did that talk. Arcus, one of them. Bam, somebody pop in our house, draw out gun, shot Patrick. So me did have to draw Patrick gun and shot. Mommy, me not got no jail. What you ball for? That one nothing for your ball over. At least me there still. Me still alive. Me not dead or nothing. No, the Patrick can just get a grade. Grade, yeah. Mommy, calm down. Yeah, me shot somebody. But please don't tell nobody because nobody at all nothing know. And true, you remember that me I tell you, but nobody else nothing know. Mommy, what you mean me fi go and back go look about Patrick? No, me not go look about Patrick. The man run me out and car, so I sense me I'll go back, go look. Me can't. Listen, mommy, that now go work. Patrick no. Alright. Me go listen to what you say and go back. No problem. Mommy, alright, later.
Up I say there? A man here come?
What you mean?
What mean so what mean? You know, when I drive around the place, I almost shut off a gas. What you do here, sir? And me carry you come here, so me have to carry you back. Because your mother, I bet so if your mother go here, say, something go do, you know, me go be the fault. Hey.
Are you running out of your car now?
Why is it not take care?
Why you running out of
Because you chat too much. You make everything a problem.
How me make everything a problem when you ungrateful? You not even say thanks for me save your life.
I tell you again, say it's not about thanks to save my life. It's about say you put me in a problem and you take me out tight in a problem. Still, because right now I can't go to work.
Why you can't go to work?
Because it's the whole situation. You have to investigate. Man, have to investigate to find out what going on and all these things. Because me don't know for what reason them feel like I know me fire the gun. Because police are supposed to fire so much shot. I won in a chest.
So why you not just tell them the truth and done?
And done what? And done with my career? Me love my job, you know.
See, that's the thing. That's why you can't go back to work.
So
because you not tell the truth. You have to talk the truth. Make them know what really good down. And everything we alright.
A place I get too dark, you know. Find back your car. You come or you stay.
Me don't have no choice. And I like say me know.
So because you no choice, you want come or you want stay? What you want to do?
Me a come. Me a forward.
Come to talk to you. Can I come in?
You only have 5 minutes. Come.
5 minutes? With no friend? What you mean by 5 minutes?
You only have 5 minutes.
Because you play a bed car right now, my foot tired, my walk from far. And I'm cheering your house and you're playing a bed.
What you have to say?
You know, so I come in your yard or something more to talk to you. But where you have yourself? Are we no friend?
Girl, it's not about friend. What you want?
Well, me just want we just make up back because you know, so we friendship did a long time we are friends. Well, let me tell you why I come here too. Me just want to make up back with friendship for real. But just when me stay the night, yeah, me miss the friendship.
Wow. So you come on my yard to ask for friendship to stay in my yard?
No, not like that.
Just that me I get out of way.
Just want if you just have a conversation to you agree at what I am saying. The other day that they just me never did really want it to come out like that, but me just sorry and me just want friendship to go back like this.
Well, if you want our friendship to go back like this, it's going to take a long period of time.
I wonder why. It seems like you no get no weed from morning. Because me not understand this. Look how long we are friends and it just the mistake will happen back then. You got them about a long period of time.
Let me tell you something about people. You see, perhaps somebody do something one time, they're going to do it again.
No. A long time you know me and the first time we ever have a disagreement. Don't. And me never promise you. Me just want to just get back normal. And things like you not connect to what me I say.
Nope.
Me know. Can you come like say you want weed right now? I mean not if you give you.
Anyways, as you can see.
See what?
Me literally not in a good mood.
Me see you're in a one good mood because this is not you. Exactly. But what I'm saying is that can you just let me stay for the night and we just have an agreement on what I'm saying?
Well, me not stop her for stay. You can stay. You know what's a TV dead?
What? TV dead? So wait, don't me just know that. I can't say you don't want to have nothing to do with me. Because anything happen, me are the first one to know it out of your mouth.
Why you feel like me a move so?
Me don't know because TV dead.
TV dead.
What happened?
What happened? You not hear what happened?
I know me not hear what happened.
He get gunned down.
Me tell you, I feel like you would love them alone, you know, ear.
Listen, me not really want to go there at this point in time. Me literally no want to go there.
Me understand, because I don't want to go there right now, either.
Me I go through stress. Me get threat. At this point in time, me have a lot of going in my head right now.
Before everything happened, me tell you say if you would love them alone because them is not a good people and once you can't catch them, them are come for you.
Come for me?
Yes, persons.
A matter of fact, I'm going to change the pattern of how me do things. You said me are your friend, right?
Yeah, me your friend, man. Long time too.
I'm going to see how true that is. You follow me go somewhere.
We me confused right now. Where one for you go?
No worry about that. When we reach there, you will know. So it's either you're in or you're out. Choose. Yeah, take too long to choose. How are you breathe so hard? It's either or either.
Where we are go?
Mama. Me say. You don't even know that. When we reach where we are go, you will know where we are going. Choose.
Girl, how we are go?
Yeah, follow me or you not follow me?
Me go follow you, man.
So why the backside you keep on and stop me?
But me never know say I don't say you come. I don't say woman read me house living now.
Don't you think I know that?
So we are go.
Like me say, when we reach the destination, you know. Now you can lock chat and come on. Come on.
It's like you lose a mind or something. You're really mad in your head, you know?
No, I'm not mad in my head.
Because what could have caused all of this now? For you take your dirty self come from my veranda.
You forgot, say,
You and your niece approach me in my yard. So me feel like say it would have been a nice honor if I could do the same. Yeah.
So after everything, what you and your man put my brother Patrick through, you really have it hard the city if you come from my veranda country to have a stinking mouth, girl. Eh?
Oh, yeah.
I wonder, let me tell you something, you know. Not true, me a Christian. You feel like say, me no got it. Look for me good. Because it come like say you never see sick yet. Head no good. No, what you do ya?
You want to know what I do, yeah? Listen. Me not in the bag of long talking. You and your niece come on me yard. Your niece all box with my face.
Hold on there. So a gun. You really come pull off for me. In a me own yard.
You not see.
You in a this too?
No.
Hey girl. Hey girl. Yo, I wonder if you don't know who me real. Yo, I'm to them girl man. And look idiot girl me rent me house come plan up on me. I'm to them idiot man. Who in a year for that? I'm too no man. Yo, brother. Patrick. Where they? Yo, right now you have to go report this, you know. The girl Amanda come on me yard, come pull gun for me. And a World War III we just put on around here. No, me not get no shot. Go link me right now. Yo. Bro. I don't know where you get yourself in there, you know. But this affect me right now. Because I can't believe say the girl Amanda really out her mind. She come here so. Come pull gun for me. What can go so?
You know, say, I understand everything you say. And I can't believe say that you go on. But you know, say, me a police. Where you get illegal gun from?
What's that?
Where you get illegal gun
No,
from?
listen to me, no, bro. Don't worry about that, you know.
No, listen. It's not about worry about that. Me a police. I have to understand, say, me have to do my job, me know my job. And when me carrying people and something there. Sis, where you get illegal gun from?
My buy. Run a one part.
Can remember that gun there, you know? A thief, then thief it from me, you know. And like, what I don't know, because when you call me and tell me say shoot out go, me I say, me I hope you're involved in it. So what you want to shoot her?
Yeah. One in her hand and one in her foot. And salute two in her ear. Bro. Some girl fi know themselves.
Alright, but what me I say to you is this. Who started? Are you, so she just come and just shoot, so? You want to see her before and beat her up or something, fight, go on?
Listen.
How you go?
Me and Shanice go down there.
Mm.
With niece. And me say to her, me go in her yard peacefully, you know. And we say to her, say, who shot my brother? And the girl start going with himself. Oh, yeah, talk about, oh, yeah, brother, and my man dead. And this, so me say, Shanice, rrr.
And Shanice lick her in her face?
And Shanice jape her up. But I don't like say Shanice lick her in her face. Shanice just jape her up, that's all.
So sister,
And jerk her.
So me now as a police officer now hearing these things, what do you think we should do?
Arrest her.
Arrest her and then you shoot out on this scene. I told him I forgot arrest.
Huh?
Yeah, because obviously, sister, I love my job and a sister. I was telling that before now. Remember one last time I tell you so? I'm gonna say to you, so, sister, don't talk certain things and do certain things and make me have to come for you because me come for you.
So brother, me a defend you in a all kind of way. And you go tell me say you go arrest me?
No, me not.
You come like so you're sick all night. You're sick.
Listen me, sister.
You're sick or something?
Listen me, sister. Just hear me out. Because you're my sister and I love you. But you have to understand, say, this right now, I can't even report it. Because right now, if nobody go hear about these things, me no problem.
Cover me up. Cover up my side. And that you do, cover up my side.
Alright, here what I want to know. Me never there.
No, you talk.
But at the end of the day, you have to go maybe take with yourself. Because I know somebody hear the bullets and them something and then go call police.
The girl is there too.
Which girl went there?
I look nice brown and when me did rent the room in a shop. Mona.
Sister, you hear me, sir? Me go pretend like me never there. And just know, say, me go try my best to cover as much as me can. You hear, sister? But me can only do what me can do.
Bro, just do what you do. And as what you say, you're something to take on myself, so I'm going to take on myself
Take with yourself for a few days.
But me just want to get off to know, say, yo, you not done yet. I just that me I say, you not done yet. Because anywhere me see her, I kill that.
Hey. Me a police, you can't talk them things that make people hear the conversation, bush of it. Listen me, I say, no, man. Me need to secure me. Go and put up it.
Through your police, I feel like me care.
Alright. You see me I talk
Or because you're my brother, I feel like me care.
Sister.
When the man then he come in and come shut you up. Yo, you know what? Just, yo, go on where I go to ya, man.
Sister Cherry, how I'm not seeing you in the church?
A Pinky, my name. Don't call me no Sister Cherry again.
No, me can't call you by that name. You know that already. And what happened?
Listen to me. Me have whole heap of things that go on right now in my life. And if slung in a church, that can't help me right now, you know.
No, Sister Cherry.
Me say no call me no Sister Cherry, call me Pinky. That the name dead and gone. Call me Pinky.
No, you have to understand, you know. I'm a man of God. A man of God is gonna call you by your respectable name. I don't know you have no that name. I know you are Sister Cherry. But anyway, sitting down in the church, yes, me understand what you know. But Sister Cherry, you have to understand, you know, the Lord wants us to be in His house. So, if you think, say, not sitting down there is a better life, it's going to be a bad situation. You understand?
Man of God.
Yes,
Man of God.
Yes.
How much time I call a name?
3 times.
Man of God.
Yes.
When me did there in our church.
Yes.
See me, I'll take off my hat here. When me did there in our church.
Yes, sister.
I don't know I preach, I don't know I go on, I don't know I get in tongues, and make me go and get in our tongues in our church.
Yes, sister.
Right?
You
not feed me?
Well, you know.
Enough time me there, me yard, man of God, and hungry and kill me. And me a soon no?
Well.
Enough time me want clothes on my back, food on the table, and whole heap of things.
Well.
You not give me nothing?
Well, Sister Cherry, let me tell you something. It's when you come on to the church rely on the people to throw the offering. So we can build a bigger church. So we have more souls to save. But when you come on to the food part, if we get barrels from foreign and them expired, we will issue out them to the
Hold on, what do you mean by if and they expired?
No,
I'm not talking about this, you know, calm and rice, so not give people, you know, if it's happy.
No, me no
No one, no, me not take nothing from you because you see, you see a man who sit down in the church and not chat people, not chat them go and not chat them come.
No, me no mean like that, Sister Cherry.
So what you mean by issue or the
No, because
expire things in people?
because sometimes the barrel is on the sea too long, we still get out, right? We get out, cause nothing wrong with it. Same way, it's still eatable. It's eatable. So you have to understand, you can't rely on the church to feed you. The church rely on you to drop your offering each Sunday.
Yeah, when me drop my last offering and me go home. When
God will multiply what you drop in the basket. You understand? So you get the point?
Yeah, but man of God.
No,
Why?
I'll tell you the truth. You want to know the truth why I'm here?
Yes, yes.
I heard that you've been bossing gun down here like a wild hog. You've been bam, 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 round and round.
Hold on there.
Where did you get that gun?
Where you hear that from? How you know that?
There's something I never said in church, but I'm going to preach it Sunday coming. I was a gangster back then. And one of me little tuggy one time back then when me and him used to bow poi. Him still in a hit. Him come check me and tell me, say, one of me member. Me couldn't believe that you, Sister Cherry.
Alright, listen, man of God, listen. Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
They shot me, brother. So me, so me go back.
No,
What
you
talk
don't
about?
render. Listen.
Man of God, you know what say? What you tell me, so tell me now you just come through the ears and go back to your next ears.
No.
Not tell me, say,
Let me block it. Let me block it. Let me block it. Listen good. Listen good. You can't render evil for evil. You have to do good. Somebody have to be a hero. You cannot, not because they shoot your brother.
Hold on, man of God.
You go back, go shoot somebody else.
And the Bible
brother.
you're supposed to use and I use a finger and I talk up. Man of God, listen now, listen. Me is no longer Miss Cherry. Me a Pinky. Pinky, if you call me. Pinky. Pinky. You understand? They shot me, brother. And me go back for them. Something wrong with that? No. You can't tell me what to do. You see the one, he remember where you have where my pan, see him where. Go and go tell him, say, if you can't give life to God and nobody come bother me in the evening. Yeah.
I try many times with him. But when you're stubborn like him, it's the same thing. You already did save. Why you do that? Why you do that?
Man of God.
You don't respect God?
Man of God. Listen now. Bygone for bygone. Me not disrespect you none at all, but you need to just leave right now. Because what you said to me don't make no sense.
So I say come down.
Me say me not disrespect you, but what you said to me don't want to hear right now.
All right, Sister Cherry. All right.
Nice to see you in the evening,
Remember,
sir.
somebody come give you a good warning and a good blessing. Please, stick to God.
One last thing. Yeah, me go stick to God. One last thing. You see, when I see the evil them a come from me way, and the weapon them a come from me way, rebuke it and send it back.
Yeah, then say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. That's why you shouldn't pull no gun. You should have slow and go in front of it.
So what me ask one question? Me should have met the person come in the yard and kill me.
No.
So if me dead, so uno see him, uno look good. You see, God a hold me mouth, you know. God a hold me mouth. If uno see him one come name out me curry chicken, and me white rice, and me chicken back, and me soup, what them all make, and me funeral. So you did want them come and kill me. And that's what you want? Okay. Me never know. See me, I'm dead now.
I never know you're so heartless.
I know heartless.
Come and see me at church tomorrow, please.
Man of God.
Come on.
A people turn me back so. Yeah?
No.
They shouldn't mess with me, brother.
No, listen. Come and talk to me tomorrow. Come see me tomorrow. First thing, I'm going to cancel meeting tomorrow just for you. Come and see me tomorrow. We need to dip you in the holy water. Come and see me. Why are you laughing?
I'm out of holy water. No give me an olive oil, me dung.
No, you never get the
And not me can't go on for me. You look a piece of chaka house up there so. Me no soon no come and say, see some money and I look a package on always I give out and say, take it and try if you fix up the house. Me have to rent it so the piece of chaka board house. What the same look nastiness. Come on that day, come lick down my chichi board. Man of God, later, no disrespect.
Check me tomorrow, remember, please.
I shall check you later.
Check me tomorrow. Oh God. Save them soul, Lord.
Watch him. Watch him. Boy, man of God. And you go cancel meeting tomorrow. I don't know, meeting I can see, you know. It's a girl I cancel. Rubbish.
Girl. Look how long me not see you. Where did they?
You just step in my yard, say nothing but call. Girl,
Because
me
me see
there
you
my
sit
yard
down
when
right
today.
there, so when me they call for. So how you not come to school?
Girl, school can't help me right now.
Girl, me here see your uncle get shot.
And that with you know. That's why me don't like you, Amelia. You hear everybody business, you know everybody business.
So girl, what make you want to know? No, me and your friend.
Me and no friend, girl. Me not keep friend with you. 'Cause you too
Oh,
mixed
so
up.
you get suspended from school. That's you don't come back to school and you have to still
Mama.
come back to school.
Mama, allow me and my suspension and my shot uncle. Go on here, y'all. Get too mixed up.
Me mix up.
Yes, Mama. You
No,
mix
me
up.
go allow you to do what you want to do. You know, make me go on my yard. You lucky.
Mama, go on your yard. Go on your yard before me stone you. And learn to wash your clothes good, cause underneath you bleach out.
How that? Oh, brother.
Where's your umbrella?
Oh, Lord. We're glad you come. So sit down now.
A 3 hours it take me to reach on your son. I still sit down in a vehicle to reach on your son. Me not come here so to sit down. What you say? You call me what you want, what happened?
Just sit down. You don't want to sit down, your foot not tired.
You know me stay already, you know me dark and stay. And me not come here to sit down. You call me come talk to me. What you say, what happened to you?
Alright. So, whole pasa. So, I'll start a pasa and go down right now. You know what's the me nearly get shot?
What you say to me?
Me have to boom flick skilly bop
No.
over the people them fence.
So how me no know nothing about this? How me just
All Tibi dead.
this a most joke here. Tibi dead?
Yeah, Tibi dead run 1 week ago. And Fran
Me
Tibi
never really like the youth there, no, but me
Fran Tibi dead, I be a pasa. Who no after me a try kill me?
so why you wait so long? Fi make me know all of them something here.
Because me know you steer. That's why me never want to tell you dark and fool and have no sense up yourself.
Who shoot off fire?
That you know where police boy name?
Police shoot off fire?
No man, I know him shoot after me man and his sister. But I don't remember what his name. What his name again? I don't remember what his name. But yeah, did have warrant for me.
Warrant, so me no know what.
Me tell you say all sort of something happen. And through the police get shot, TV go shot the man. And the policeman, woman end up kill Tibi. The policeman's sister after me. Nearly kill me. I lucky thing me could have jump high. If me could have jump and duck, would have dead.
So me could have turn a work, turn a Kingston, turn a work and hear say you're dead down here. Me come bury you down here.
I could have hear say me dead.
And you know say nothing to me.
Me know how you steer, that's why me not tell us certain things.
So you prefer me stay, you prefer them kill you down here.
Me never said that, you know.
But that you said to me right now.
But me no want you put yourself in no trouble. That's the thing.
So,
I don't want you put yourself in no trouble. Me done in a trouble
you
already.
drink. You sound like you drink or you smoke. So you depend stop, not you.
Me could tell when last me born weed.
You know, say you talk to me right now. Me don't feel like you just way you talk to me and you say things. You know, sound serious.
it sound like a joke. Because right now, look on your face. You don't look like your life in no problem to me. I want if a joke thing.
Danger. You don't believe that what I just say?
You have to believe because upon your face, oh you look upon your face, you don't look like something like that go on for you.
I become strong. Tell us if I never grace of God, I would have deaded.
Alright, hear me and say now. Me are your bigger brother. And me responsible for you. You see me build a house and live here in a hit. By the way, how you get involved in them kind of something? Because them something are not supposed to go on. Me left you with a warning before me left. Them something are not supposed to go on. Tell me what really go on. How it start? What really go on? Because right now, what you take now make no sense.
Well, me did the department commission.
What kind of mission?
You have to know all that too.
Yeah, me want to know what kind of mission.
Me and my friend used to sell drugs.
Drugs?
Yes.
Drugs?
Yeah. And you said me to tell her how it start.
So how you, why you choose that?
Me not know. We just start sell drugs and the police get involved and he get a warrant and me end up having thief back. And he must come at me yard and him and my man catching an argument and he end up shot TB and TB say I go feed him and me tell TB if he no go. And he sneak out and still go and they end up, him and the woman end up kill him. TB end up shot back him man, but him end up dead in the process. Them think I me set it up. That a policeman sister think I me set it up. Him and his knees reach a me yard. Run 2 days after TB dead and them pop up on my yard and warn me. So me go after them. And we do a shootout and
you know me stay now, not because you grow to a big one, me mash you up, you know. Me we mash you up. And that me left you down yourself to do. Me lick in your face for you.
Oh,
you hear me say? Now we slap in your face. Yo, get up and pack up your things them. You can't stay here so man after you for kill you can't stay here so.
Say you can't give me until tomorrow.
Get up. Take up your bag.
My things are ready. Yeah.
Go through the door.
It takes so long with the juice. Come on, give me the little $100 juice. Can I never thirsty more to come here shop? Auntie, up here yard me a coming now.
So we are cousin and go along so far.
Cause look how I'm there and Pam now and give me a little juice. But yeah, everybody ready to drink this. Me here's a shooting going up here yard. Imagine, I say you not take up back nothing. And you gotta take it back up?
No, listen, my niece, listen. Bygones to bygones. Listen. Me sit down in my yard good. Have me strap on me because me I say, me I look out for anything. Right? The same dirty girl when named Amanda come with her friend that are the one me rent the house. But she come out. Pull out gun for me. Listen, you know. Pull out gun for me and say, remember when you and your niece come up here and your niece drape me? So me just ease back so and relax myself. Because remember in a real life, me a bad people. I'm not afraid of no girl and no boy. So me not shock her nothing. You don't know what I say? The girl start pointing for me. So you see by the time she looks so, I just cop out for me one. And knock 2 upon her.
So wait,
and bust 3 in her ear for salute.
You know my time for that, no. You want to tell me, say, I mean, cause this, so you me buzz up the girl mouth, she come back up here yard with weapon? No, I really need to see her.
Yeah, and she come to kill me. So what you
so
would
wait,
like?
let me ask you something. You shot catch her?
I mean,
oh.
She get 2, and I bust 3 for salute.
So why she still living? Anyway, when you shoot, you don't feel left.
No, listen, Shanice, listen. Right now, me still in a problem.
What kind of problem?
Because the little shootout was going up there with me and her.
So who see?
Listen to me never want to kill her, you know. It's a warning me give her. Say, girl, see you next time. No come back here, so.
So auntie,
Say, see, me the want to kill her, me kill that easily. Cause she dey on my veranda.
Oh. So you hear nothing about uncle?
Well, me and him have a little talk, you know. Cause I see him night, then me have to call him. And me have to say, bro, come here so right now, and him a talk. You know when man will tell me, say, boy, God, the man will tell me, say, true, me tell him, say, I have to go report this. The man will tell me, say, him can't lock up she alone, he have to go lock up me and her. So me get so mad and tell him, say, look, man, take out a warrant, go where they go, go on where they go, and go through my door and slam that. So here what him say now, him say me no fit. The more pretend like him never come at me yard. So me say, okay then, if I that you want, do that. So right now me can't do it yard because me have to just stay low key.
Hey man. You know say uncle did that to auntie. I feel like America. America they put things in her head. Yes the uncle him fool. If the girl tell him say jump him ask so high.
No, listen me niece, listen. Me no face America would do such a thing.
You know you have no sense.
No, listen to me niece, listen up.
No, you they grieve me, auntie, you they grieve me. You grieve me. You tell me say your own blood. Your own blood.
Listen to me, you forgot a way to talk to. Me and your auntie have little manners.
No, but then it's my fault.
Don't do that again, little girl. Have manners.
Take my heart in the camera, take your fear.
Listen to me. Stop from paint bad picture on the girl. And him come down there and tell me what a female and more saying relax.
Because she tell him to come down there. You know no sense.
You know what?
You know no code.
You know what? Take a look at time and go on. Because you see true you go jeep them. And I'm going to bring you back at me when I go do my mission. I feel like say you're big now. Take a look at time. Go Shanice, go on in the blood of Jesus. Go on. See if you care about the Lord name. Go on Shanice, go on. Anytime you have little manners, you call me.
You know say no sense to her. But me allow you.
Shanice, the Lord will help you because you see if you never my niece.
Chief.
Patrick, what go
Chief.
You ever see my yard at boss, man?
No boss. But me can the report was made, everything went down on the place there. You know.
Look for me. Me like an idiot here. Who get you this work?
Are you boss? You
All
chief.
right. You're undercover. Zin? And you work undercover. And the reason why I get you as an undercover because of how you stay. Nobody can detect you because you're a Rasta man. If you're here and stuff, look for you.
Yes, Chief.
You understand what I mean?
Yes, Chief.
But for the long and the short, still, I'm not idiot in the boss, man.
But what do you mean by that, you idiot, Chief?
A little thing will go on, dog, you know. I mean, no say involved, you know.
No, are you going? I was doing a report. Well, the report is there, Chief.
Listen to me. You ever do not now write a report where you say multiple? It never happened yet. I mean, not stupid. It's not you do it.
All right, Chief.
Be clear with me, man. It's not you do it. Listen, before you say nothing, I get yourself no problem. But me have to go do. Me have to. Or give a suspension. You know.
Suspension, boss?
Yeah, man, until further, notice and investigation and so forth. Because I'm not stupid. I know where I'm going.
But, boss, suspension?
Yes, man. You have to give probably a week or 2.
2 weeks off?
Yeah, man, you have to get it off. So.
But normally you get suspension They no cut your pay.
You worry about pay? Are the seriousness of the thing, my youth? Eh? You are worry about pay? Look here, man. Me know this thing a longer than you. I mean, trust you enough to promote you and do what you do because I are tired, where you can't work in and blend in.
Yes, Chief.
And you think say me no know where I go on. Be frank with me.
Alright. You know, like, I went just self-defense all the way because the hoodlum come in and, they just start fire. But, boy, I mean, forget, say, say, from the family house, sir. But, Chief, as me say, I don't like I run me, and I hide, So nobody feel say I hide, I don't like that.
I mean, I say nothing in the boss, but you know me already.
Chief.
Right. So, anyway, you have to go take it,
So, just 2 weeks?
2 weeks. You have to go take your suspension and stuff. Boy. But as me say, you read the report and you write something false, so all that again, so. False report that. Me not stupid.
Alright, but.
Me not stupid.
Alright, so, me can correct everything. I just.
Anyway, you depend on your own on this, you see, because I know you, and I know about you, and I know say you deep down you are good youth, So, anyway, I'm going to do that.
Alright, me just take it 2 weeks, boss.
Alright, do that. And then further on, we see what I go on. Because I never really want, you understand what I mean? But something I figure be done. You have to go take a little break and then we proceed and see what I go on. Because it can't discuss so.
Alright, Chief. Respect and manners. Yeah? Highly appreciate this, sir. And you're not going to regret it, Chief. Saying Chief, you're not going to regret it. Alright, Chief.
Alright, sir.
Alright, Chief.
And you need to do something about them mosquitoes in your yard, boss. And you get them almost kill me there before you come.
Respect, Chief.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I've done so much things in the name of life, but still my heart's in pain. Now I'm just holding on with strings of grace, but still I step with faith. I'll be fine, yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me. Lost some time with some friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause I'm here and it's my pleasure, but as soon as things get better, success it makes me lose one friend at a time. Gotta get myself together, cause in me I find the treasure. On this journey I keep losing one friend as I climb, one friend at a time, one friend at a time. Yeah, I'll be fine as I take my time to find what's best for me. I've lost so many things in the name of trust, but still I play the fool.
Hey, see, lately I found out as long as your heart is strong, then you will carry on. You belong. You belong. I'll be fine. Yes, I'll take my time to find what's best for me.
Sometime with friends of mine in the name of loyalty.
Cause a man is no pleasure, cause as soon as things get better,